Hey guys, thanks for joining in. In today's quick episode, I will share with you how to go about posting an ad on Craigslist for lead generation, especially for motivated sellers lead. If you're new in real estate investing business, this episode is especially for you. Craigslist is one of the most used and searched website on the internet, and there are tons of people that are buying and selling through Craigslist. There's no reason why you should not be using Craigslist for your lead generation when you're especially new. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. I will show you how to go about putting an ad. You can do it on your own, or you can hire a virtual assistant to do it for you. There are different kind of ads that you can post. You can post generic ads, which are we buy houses. We buy troubled houses, we buy houses that need work, or people might be facing foreclosure or behind on their payments or financial crisis or going through divorce. You can target all these kind of niche lists there. The second type of ads you can put there is you're looking for cash buyers because you want to build your cash buyers list along the way. And if you want to find out more on how to build your cash buyers list, check out the video link I've done a while back to find out 8-10 different ways to go about making your own cash buyers list. And third type of ads you can put is that once you get a deal, hopefully soon, you can market it on Craigslist for buyers. So before wasting any time, let's dive right into it. Hi guys, so in this video I will walk you through how to post ad for lead generation for Craigslist if you're a real estate investor. So you're at Craigslist.org main site, and you want to go down to wherever you want to post the ad. So you could be posting in North Carolina, Ohio, there's Cincinnati, there's like Columbus, Cleveland right here. So whichever city you want to post ad in, you want to find that and post there. So for this one, we will go ahead and post for, let's do it for St. Louis, Missouri. Click there. So you're in St. Louis, Missouri. Create a posting. Ideally, you want to create like 2 to 3 ads in different categories. So most common categories is related to real estate is housing wanted. There's also housing offered section as well. So let's go to housing wanted. Then you want to put one ad at least in wanted real estate, and then you can probably mix them. Oops. You can probably mix another 1 or 2 ads. One could go in like wanted apartments. One could go in real estate by owner. So you want to put 2-3 different categories because it is all related to real estate, and people might be searching in different categories and they might find your ad. Oh, he buys houses, maybe I should call him up. So you want to use 2-3 different categories. So for the sake of the ad, I will just use this one, wanted real estate. So you want to give a title. So I could just write we buy houses and close fast. There. You can put city is St. Louis, and you want to put the zip code which you're targeting, or if you're targeting whole city, you can just pick one from Google. You can find zip code for this St. Louis city. All right, so I go ahead and I filled all the information. So I've got city here, I got zip code, and then I've got a little bit content here for the ad which state, let me buy your house for cash, any condition, no realtor fees or closing costs to you. The uglier the house, the better, because we are investors and we like to add value to it and resell or wholesale. All cash offers. Let's get rid of this. All cash offers. So we pay cash. Call or text me today. So that's that's pretty good right there. You don't have to be lengthy about it. You just want to get the point across that you buy houses, and you can add a little bit variation, like, hey, you buy houses that are outdated or problem houses, or people who are facing divorce, they need to get rid of their house, you can buy that. So I've got email and phone number, make sure it's selected, show my phone number to them, and they can call you, they can text you, and name there. So you can hit continue now, and it will take you to add images. If you want to add image, usually I prefer adding image because that attracts people, and it makes your ad look prominent. So we can just go, we buy houses fast cash. Okay, done. So there's your ad, pretty neat, simple. We buy houses and close fast. You got your image there, and you got little verbiage there, and you've already specified to show a phone number, and they can call or text you or email you back as well on your email address. So what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and publish the ad now. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. There's no rocket science to this. So you want to put in ads here. Once you start putting through ads, try to put like 2 to 3 ads every other day at least. And once you've been doing it with consistency, you're gonna start, people calling you up, ringing your phone, or text messaging you. A lot of it could be home sellers. There could be another people, who might want to have you put them on your buyers list because they're like investors just like you. So that's about it. So hopefully, you learned something here. And this is Craigslist is pretty easy way to get started, posting some ads and generating leads. And basically, Craigslist is free. It doesn't charge you anything. You can do it, or you can have your VA do it for you. That's it. So if you like the video, make sure to hit thumbs up, and share with anybody who might benefit from this. Thank you. Have a good day.